Hello, Soul Family. Welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. First of all, I'm so sorry. Okay, I could not record the videos, the weekly predictions since last 2 weeks due to some personal stuff. Okay, was busy with something. Okay, and yeah, I hope you all enjoyed Diwali. Okay, and the lunar eclipse. Okay, and the full moon effect is treating you well. Okay, I do see lot many changes on the horizon, all for good. Okay, so yeah, let's begin with the weekly predictions. This is for the week of from 21st of November to 27th of November. Okay, and yeah, as you know the format, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you. Okay, these include thoughts, emotions, decisions. Okay, in reality, in the physical world and in the energetic world as well. Okay, and 3 cards for your relationship. Okay, and 3 cards for your personal own energy. Okay, overall life. Okay, and one keep one question in mind. I'll be answering that question at the end of the session. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's see how you are feeling towards them in the coming week, obviously. Let's see if I can catch up in the past as well. Okay. I hope the Diwali was actually good. Okay. Uh, there are two, three things. Okay. 2, 3 energies are at play. Okay. First of all, I must say, okay, that you have gathered your strength. Okay. You have stood firmly on your ground. Okay, controlled your emotions. Okay, taken care of your emotions, understood your emotions. Okay, that is a big thing. Okay, sometimes we do feel, okay, but we do not actually understand why and what we are feeling. Like, if suppose we are feeling sad, okay, the reason sometimes we don't understand. Okay, so yeah, but this time you have understood your emotions. I think you have accepted your emotions, whatever emotions you are feeling, be it love, okay, uh, be it anxiety, okay, or be it eagerness. Okay, so whatever it may be, but I do see a little bit of anxiety, a little bit of what do you say, a desire. Okay, to make certain things work out for yourself. Okay, obviously towards them. Okay, and there is a desire. Okay, there is a dire wish. Okay, that things should work out in between both of you. Okay, and you have taken the initiative. Okay, I must say, yeah, you have taken the initiative. Sometimes it is important to take action as well. Okay, uh, wishes are not only important, but yeah, that is, taking action is also important. So I do feel, and because you have stood firm on your decisions, on your thoughts. Okay, and controlled your emotions, that is the reason I do see a new beginning happening in your life. Okay, and let me tell you, I this is not particularly love readings. Yeah, obviously these are love readings, but yeah, I do sense other energies also. So I must tell you, this energy is not only towards your person. Okay, this energy may be towards your job, your career, maybe your maybe your something is changing, okay, something you wish to start new, okay, maybe your location or maybe something, okay, overall life you want to start something new in life, okay. There is a kind of, I should not say stubbornness, but yeah, there is a kind of stubbornness that yeah, enough is enough, okay. I'm standing firm on my ground, okay, and now I need to start big and good in my life with them, okay, and in my life as well, okay. Just a sec, I'll just show you the Fool, the Strength, Queen of Cups, okay. So yeah, very controlled thing, okay, taking care of emotions, being emotional but not showing it, okay, or rather directing your emotions towards a better future, okay. So yeah, that is it, that is it for you, okay. Now when I look at them, I do see them, see, uh, two of wands is a kind of life changing thing for me, okay. I mean, as a reader, how do I read two of wands? So that is either this side or that side, okay. You have to choose, you have to choose your life path, okay. That is something will change your life, I must tell you. Whatever decisions they will make, it is gonna change their life, okay. And if their life changes, obviously your life is gonna affect, okay. So I must tell you, but they have chosen you, okay. They have chosen you over something, over maybe their career, okay, over maybe their family, or over maybe somebody else, okay. So yeah, it can be over them themselves also, okay. They have plans for something else, and now since you are strong on your ground, okay, you have decided no, either this way, okay, the new beginning will this way, or it's not working out, okay. Maybe you have got you have given them ultimatum, or if at all you have not given them ultimatum, but your energies are so strong, okay, that they have started feeling in the physical world, okay, that if I don't make the decision right now, okay, my person is gonna change the path, okay, because they are so strong. Even they have learned to control their emotions as well, and they are ready to take the new path as well. So it is better, since they are in very very again, I should not say stubborn, but yeah, confident, yeah. So confident energies, or they have decided rather, okay. So I must choose them, okay. And why to choose them? Because I also want, I also have got feelings for them, and hence I also want this satisfaction, this love, this family things, this everything I want, okay. I want almost all my cups to be filled, okay. I want that satisfaction, I want that togetherness, I want that family thing, I want them to be together, okay. So yeah, right now they are at the crossbar, okay. But yes, this even if being at the crossroads, okay, they are gonna choose you, okay. Maybe because you have taken the decision, okay, or and also they also have got love towards you. So yeah, but let's see what is actually happening, okay, what will happen. Energies are good, but let's see. People are still burning firecrackers. Good. something is not gonna working out. I'm so sorry. Okay. uh, Eventually it may, okay, but at least at this very moment, no. It is like you have reached to the end level, okay. You feel that this is the end, okay, positively. Now we are gonna be together, or now things gonna work out, or things will is gonna change, okay. But unfortunately at the end, the situation is turning, it is turning upside down, okay. I do see health also a reason, okay. Somebody's health, maybe family, uh, yeah, yeah. I do not see any other reason at this very moment. Either nor it is not personal or professional life, it is nothing else. I do see health. So yeah, that is what the psychic messages are, okay. So take care of health, okay. Maybe you, your family, them, their family, okay. But yeah, our family could be the reason, okay, if not their health, okay. But yeah, things are again coming back to the original situation, where they are not moving in any direction, okay. They are stuck, the energies are stuck, okay. See, Nine of Swords, the World, okay. Either they have changed the situation, location. But this is as a reader, if I believe in my psychic messages, okay, this is basically from their family or your family. I don't see your family per se, but yeah, it can be, okay. And then again coming back to the same situation, okay. Trying to balance out things, okay. Thoughts and emotions, you and them, okay. Or might be that overall situation you are trying to balance out, the relationship you are trying to balance out between you and them, or you and the family, in between both of you. But yeah, the situation is coming back to the same thing, okay. It's not moving, okay. So yeah, let's see what is happening in your overall life, okay. Good. At least you are taking charge of your life, okay. And you are not giving up, okay. And you are not giving in the all the illusion, okay. You are not giving in, okay. So yeah, that is it. mm, at least in your personal life or overall life, you are taking back the control, you are trying to change the situation, at least for yourself, okay. You are regaining your power, that no, okay, I should be again go back to my own energies, that I need to control my life, okay. I need to lead my life, okay. And whatever is happening, at least by regaining the power, at least I should take the charge of my own life, okay. Whatever has happened, whatever is happening or has happened in the week with them, okay. At the end of the week or during midweek, okay, I should take back my own powers and I should lead my life, okay. So yeah, uh, I do see you deciding that, okay. But action, I do see a little bit. Page of Pentacle, it is still Page's energy, okay. Knight of Wands, decided to take action, okay. Decided to take control of your own situation, but yeah, still in that power only, okay. Decided to change things for at least for yourself, okay. So leave everything, but at least I'll take control of my life, okay. Nothing should change, at least whatever is happening in my life, okay. Nothing should affect them, at least that energy is mine. So yeah, that is that is it for the week. Okay, now if at all you have not decided upon any question, so you can pause this video. Okay, think about any question as per your situation and let unicorns guide you for that. Okay, so let's see. This is it. Okay, so this is help. Okay, if I can show you. Okay, this is help, and the card says the help you need is on its way. Okay, so keep watching for it. Wow, that's a big message, man. I love this card, isn't it? We all need this all the time. Okay, uh, divine guidance, divine interference. Okay, that is important, that is needed in life. So yeah, as per the cards, okay, whatever situation you have asked for, it may be your personal life, relationship, or anything, whatever you have asked for, it might be your job, it might be your health, it might be your family members health, or it may be regarding money. Okay, whatever it may be. So from the unicorns, okay, the universe is guiding you, the God is telling you, the source is guiding you that yes, help will soon arrive. Okay, so yeah, believe in this. Okay, and so yeah, this is it from my side. Okay, if at all you have liked this video, if at all these readings are resonating with you, I know you all message me and WhatsApp me, but yeah, I look forward towards likes, comments, and shares. Okay, so if at all you like my videos, okay, please do subscribe. If at all you have not done, share the video with your family and friends so that the family will grow. Okay, like our Facebook family is growing. Okay, mm. So let this family also grow. So yeah, this is it from my side. I hope the reading was quite good. We have been meeting after 2 weeks, and yeah, I'll try not to take breaks. So yeah, that is it from my side. Namaste. May my higher self bless you. Bye bye. Take care.